Hey, this is Shelly. Okay, I had this teapot set that right off, I can tell you this would make a great gift because, I mean, the box itself is just beautiful. And it's a 26 pack, which I think you can get. It's designed where you can make it even a larger set if you want with other accessories. It's supposed to be like a real nice, elegant, made, amazing tea set that anyone would love to have. Well, it's packaged really well. Let's see. I mean, it looks so like elegant, like you don't want to break it, but it's dishwasher safe, and it even says something about oven safe, but I don't think you would put it in the oven. I mean, why would you, right? And isn't that beautiful? I mean, that's so beautiful. And it's made where it's not supposed to fade or anything. I know so far, I mean, I'm just looking at the cups. They look prettier in person. I actually love to drink tea. You have yourself a tea party, or just invite some friends over and have some tea. Oh, that's cool. Thank you for choosing us. Oh, it's like a little card. I think I remember where that holds 7 ounces in a cup. Isn't that pretty? Make your tea. Make your tea. Little glasses. Two. Some lid. The little spoons you stir them with to pick it up like that. In there and in there. So that's how I figured it out, because there was room here for those. So, and then you can expand it. So like in the picture, it has, I was going by this picture right there. So you could expand it. Pretty cool, huh? And it makes it cool that you can use these in the dishwasher. And they're also so pretty. They're so pretty. Who's ready to have a tea party? This is just so cool. All right. Hope this review helped you. Remember, this is a good set, and they are exquisite.